Hello and welcome to Solving Watercolor. Let's have a look at how to paint simple buildings in watercolor. Buildings can be a challenging subject for the watercolor artist because the regular structure of a building requires particular attention to things such as perspective and lighting. And these aren't difficult concepts to learn, but they do tend to cause a bit of confusion. So let's have a look at that right now. A lot of painting problems can be solved at the initial drawing stage, so let's start with a really basic shape. So to draw this shape in perspective, first of all we need to establish where the horizon line is going to be. The position of the building in relation to the horizon line determines where the observer's eye line is. Next, add a square shape and mark a point anywhere on the horizon line. This is called the vanishing point. And this type of drawing is called a one-point perspective because there's just one vanishing point. It's possible to have more than one, but let's keep it simple for now. Take a line from the top and bottom of the building and project them towards the vanishing point. Notice that horizontal lines and vertical lines always stay vertical and horizontal when drawn in perspective. Only the length and width of them changes. You can add shading by placing a light source somewhere in the scene. The sides of the building facing directly away from the light source will be darkest, and the cast shadow will be the darkest shadow of all. And remember that the cast shadow also needs to be in perspective. Now, this old wooden building is about an hour's drive from where I live, and I don't know much about it, but its quaint appearance caught my eye because it looks like it may have once been a small village chapel. So, analysing the shape of this building using the principles that I've just outlined, this old chapel is essentially just a box with a tin roof joined to another smaller box with a tin roof. So the full tutorial for this painting can be found at my website, and I've put the link in the description below. And while you're there, why not sign up for my free watercolor course? And you can also join my newsletter where I regularly offer and give free critiques to anyone who wants one. And if you're interested in doing live lessons with me via Zoom, please contact me via my website solvingwatercolor.com.